Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, dear students. Welcome to our science class. Okay, previously in our lesson, we were talking about the stages that an adult can go through, or let's say humans. They go through changes. They first, when they are born, they are newborns. When they grow a little bit, they become newborn. What comes after a newborn? A toddler? Yes, Leanne, what's after a toddler?
After a toddler, a child.
Excellent, a child. After a child, a teenager. What's after a teenager?
Adult.
Adult, yes. After an adult, it becomes, yes,
Teacher,
Rihanna?
Teacher, which page?
It is adult age. It's adult age, miss.
After adult age,
They are
grandpas. Huh,
yeah.
look at grandpa.
Teacher, which page?
Excellent.
It's
Okay.
like that.
Yes,
Adult
it
age.
is adult page. Okay.
Teacher, which page?
Dear, can you tell her what page is this?
This is 142.
141.
One. We take it. It is about grow up.
Okay, I want you to concentrate here on the screen, Rihanna, with me, and not in your book, okay? In the screen with me, please, not in your book, okay?
Okay.
All right. A living thing, when a living thing is growing up or reproducing, they go through changes. Is that right?
Yeah.
Yes. It goes through changes, and these changes, we called it, do you remember what did we call it before in grade 3? When they are very different, the frog life cycle, they go through changes. What do I call these changes? Yes, Rayana.
Life cycle.
No, thank you. Yes, Leanne.
Physical changes and chemical changes.
What are they? What do I call it? I call it with a name. Yes, Italia. Talia, you are muting yourself, but I think you are saying the correct answer.
What is it?
No, you're still muting yourself.
Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Is it photosynthesis?
No, guys, when a young tadpole doesn't look like the adult frog. It's very different from the adult frog. When the young tadpole grow a little bit more, it grows hands, and later the tail will disappear. So these are very huge changes. What do I call these changes? It starts with an M. Starts with M. Yes, yeah, Maria.
But I feel Metamorphosis.
Metamorphosis. Excellent. Excellent, Maria. Remember the word metamorphosis? Do you remember, guys, now?
Yes.
Metamorphosis.
I thought it was chemical change and physical change.
There are changes, yeah, Leanne. There are very huge changes, but metamorphosis describes the huge change that happens to live things when they grow up. Like example, if they grow new leg or their tail disappear, maybe they have spines that they didn't used to when they were young. So these changes are huge. Today we are going to learn something more about metamorphosis. A young frog or a tadpole has a long tail and no legs. As it grows, its tail becomes shorter and begins to grow legs. An adult frog has no tail but has legs. The young go through series of changes known as metamorphosis. All clear?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Let's take a look at this butterfly. This is a life cycle of a butterfly, okay? The butterfly will start with an egg, then larva, then the larva will be a pupa, and a pupa will become an adult butterfly. Now take a look at the larva and pupa and adult. Are they the same? No, they go through serious changes. What are the serious changes? They are completely different. Yes, Leanne. Yes, Leanne.
What are the serious changes?
Mhm.
That after an egg that it becomes a caterpillar.
Okay, a caterpillar. How many hands and legs does a caterpillar have?
I don't know, but I think it's a lot.
Teacher, I think it's 8.
Hmm.
Is it 8?
Okay, maybe 8, maybe 7. But what about the adult?
6.
Look at the adult.
The adult.
It has
is
only
so
two.
big.
It has
Okay.
only two.
What about wings? Does a caterpillar have wings?
No.
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 Didn't throw out his body.
Excellent,
I thought
excellent.
you
What
were
about
going.
pupa? They are completely
Pupa is like
different. It's not about only growing one change or two change. It is very different, completely different. So I call it a complete metamorphosis. So butterflies go through complete metamorphosis. The larva of butterfly is also called a caterpillar. The caterpillar grows into pupa. Inside chrysalis, the pupa becomes an adult butterfly. So this is a complete metamorphosis. Now, let's see what is incomplete. What do I mean by incomplete?
Miss, someone was humming.
Miss.
Yes.
Yeah. The butterfly when it gonna be a pupa. The larva, how it gonna be a pupa?
What's a complete or incomplete metamorphosis? Incomplete metamorphosis means what? Look at this life cycle. This life cycle of what, ya Rayana? What do you see over here?
I see a nymph. It is a grasshopper that is small.
Excellent.
And I see also a nymph, but it is getting his skin out.
Yes. So you
I
see a
think he's
grasshopper
eating
life
it.
cycle. Excellent. A grasshopper go through incomplete metamorphosis. Why do I call it incomplete metamorphosis? Because a young grasshopper hatches as a nymph, and a nymph grows and molts. Now look at over here. It molts. Do you know what does it mean, molts? Look at this picture. Grasshopper will molt 5 times before they reach the adult stage. Do you know what does it mean, molt?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
good, good.
When
The
it is
female grasshopper, what does it do? It lay eggs where?
in the leaf.
Yes,
The leaf.
under the leaves. Excellent, excellent, excellent. It will hide its egg to save it from predators and no one will take them. So incomplete metamorphosis is to go through one change. It's only about the nymph. See, it has only one change. The grasshopper is different from a nymph. So it's not like larva and pupa. Okay, so if it has only one change, what do I call it? Complete or incomplete? Incomplete. Excellent. If it has more than one change, what do I call it?
Complete.
Excellent, excellent. Thank you. Excellent. Let's see, what do we have here? So, a complete metamorphosis is an animal's go through 4 different changes in its life cycle. Please underline and highlight with me. Can you do that? In a complete, oops, sorry, I need the highlighter.
Okay. I'm gonna get mine.
So, in a complete metamorphosis, an animal goes through different stages in its life cycle. What about incomplete metamorphosis? Incomplete metamorphosis, and animals go through 3 different stages in its life cycle. The first is the animal hatches from egg as a nymph. Okay?
Okay.
Do you understand that?
It doesn't change. An incomplete metamorphosis doesn't change a lot.
Yes, it has 3 stages and it changed. The first thing is a nymph, okay?
Yeah.
But a complete, it has to be 4. Now, do you know the frog life cycle?
No.
Wow. How you don't know the frog life cycle? We took that in grade 2, grade 3.
Yes, I know. I know it.
Miss, I know it. Can I say
Okay.
I know
A
it, but I
frog
forgot.
will hatch, first of all, it will lay eggs and it will hatch what?
Hatch
Okay.
eggs?
In the water.
Yes, in the water. What is it? What do I call it?
A larva?
A larva hatches from frog? Really?
No.
No.
No. What hatches from a frog egg?
A baby frog?
A tad.
A tadpole.
A tadpole. Excellent. After a tadpole, it will become a young tadpole with legs. After that, it will grow legs and
A tail.
hands. And
a
then
tail.
when it's become an adult, the tail will disappear.
It will have more legs.
So is it a complete metamorphosis or incomplete?
Complete.
Excellent. It is complete. Excellent.
Then it will go to the
changes a
tank
lot. But
and he will live there. But he still can't go in the water.
Okay, now let's save the sea turtle. Some kinds of animals are endangered. What do I mean endangered? That means there are.
I think it means like they're in danger, like they're like in like dangerous areas, and they need like help.
Yes, they need to be rescued because there are not too many of them left. Scientists study the life cycle of endangered animals to try to save them and help them increase their numbers. So endangered mean that there are not too many in this world. They might extinct and never be there. So
No way.
scientists is thinking about how they can save these turtles because sea turtles are endangered animals. Now, to rear sea turtles, eggs are collected. First of all, what do? They will collect the eggs, okay? They will put it in a safe place. When it hatch the egg, the young turtles are carried for until they can be released into the wild. So what they are going to do to save the endangered sea turtles, they are going to take away the eggs and keep it in a safe place. Do you know why they take the eggs?
Why?
Because some other animals are eating those eggs. So if they are eating those eggs, will they reproduce?
No.
No. Will we have more?
There will
We have
be
more
and
of sea turtles? No,
No,
no.
with that,
Scientists are
they will
helping.
extinct more.
Yes, they
Yeah.
will extinct. That's why
Let's
scientists
wait.
are helping by taking away the eggs, putting it in a safe
Yeah.
place until they are hatched and they feel that they can be released. Look at this scientist over here, what she's doing. When turtles are ready, they are taking to a beach and released. She is releasing the turtles in the beach.
I thought those
Wow,
were
that's a lot of turtles.
Yeah.
So
really.
scientists, they help people, they help animals, they help producing a very good life for everyone, for every living thing. Okay.
So we don't. Yeah. Okay. Because we don't want it to be instinct.
Yes, we
Like
don't want it
Something
to
kind of
dinosaurs.
be
sad.
extinct. Excellent, excellent. Okay,
Like
guys. Now, do
dinosaurs.
you have any question?
No, not
Mm,
really.
No?
it's
That's
the
No.
it
best
for
lesson in the
today.
world.
That's it for today. Is everything clear?
Yep.
Let's wait.
Yes.
Easy peasy.
Okay.
Lemon
Thank
Let's
you
wait.
guys
How